Hello and welcome back to another tutorial for the Cricut Explorer Air 2. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Cricut design space to make t-shirts. There are a lot of fun projects that you can do without purchasing the Cricut Access space, such as these fun paper flowers, but keep in mind that the free projects do change every week. You can access the project by clicking on the project and going to Customize to view the cuts on the mat, and then to go to the Make It to begin cutting the pieces out with your preferred material. I did end up purchasing Access as my first month was free, and then it's $9.99 per month after that. I wanted to see what it was all about and see if it's worth keeping, as you can cancel at any time. And if you do make a purchase separate from Access, you will have these projects available to you even if you end up canceling. Now with that, let's make some shirts. To make a customized shirt, go to your templates page and scroll down to find the template for a t-shirt. You can adjust the sizing of the shirt in the Canvas tab once it's open. This will not appear in the cutting. It's simply a measurement tool to help you when you're designing your shirt. If you go to add a text box, you can see there are so many fonts to choose from if you have Access. You will have to purchase fonts separately or download them from online if you do not have Access. Once you have selected your desired font, go ahead and type out what you want the shirt to say in the specified font you selected. You can even adjust the size of the text by clicking and holding the bottom corner and moving your mouse to make the image bigger or smaller. Feel free to play around with the buttons on the toolbar as well, such as adjusting the letter spacing, font size, and etc. Once you have your first image all set, you can do it all over again with as many words and images as you wish. After I was all set, I went ahead and grabbed each individual image and grouped them together so they moved as one unit. And you can do this by going to Group on the side and layering them and merging them together. Once they're all done, it's time to cut. Now when I went to cut, it messed with my design, so if any of you know how to fix this, please let me know in the comments down below. I quickly adjusted it with my cutting preview stage, and once it was all set, I went ahead and loaded my Cricut mat and began cutting my t-shirt design. Don't forget to make sure that it's on the appropriate base material, so for me, I put vinyl. That's an important step. And when you're done, go ahead and click cut. Once your design is all cut, lay out the t-shirt flat on a flat surface. I put my Easy Press mat inside so I could use it as a guide, but you're more than welcome to use chalk to mark where you'd like it to place on the shirt. Weed out your design and apply some transfer tape. I'm using premium vinyl for this project, but if I were to do it again, I would definitely use iron-on. I'll probably make another video showing you how to do this soon. Carefully press the image onto the tape so it transfers, and then align the transfer tape where you'd like to place it on the shirt. And then place the tape, and using a scraper or credit card, press the design into the shirt so it sticks. And once it's stuck, slowly remove the tape so you're left with a completed image on the shirt. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you decide to make this project too. If you have any tips and tricks on the Cricut machines or design space, or you do make this project, leave a comment down below to share. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and until next time, bye!